We cannot add this phone number to your account right now. If you're facing the same error on your Twitter account, on website, or on your application, how you can easily solve it, or how you can add your phone number easily without any interruption on your device. To do this, you have to open your official website of Twitter in front of you, and you can check updating your phone number by clicking on the left top of screen and then to your profile option. In this profile option, you will see to change your phone number or email ID updation center. But if you cannot do this, how you can solve it? We have to do nothing. If you have the application, you should restart your application, and if you have the browser, you can use it on browser. You should just refresh the network connection and try after some time. Like, I will simply remove this tab from my iPhone, and then I will click on the browser to log into this account again. And now once you will refresh your network connection by clicking on the flight mode and by restarting your device, you won't face any type of error like this. Thank you so much for watching this video.